Preparing to rent your first apartment, a young adult's guide. Renting your first apartment is a big step towards independence. Here's a guide to help you get started. 1. Determine your budget. Calculate your income. How much money do you make monthly? Estimate expenses. Consider rent, utilities, food, transportation, and other costs. Set a rental budget. Decide how much you can afford to spend on rent each month. 2. Location, location, location. Consider your lifestyle. Do you prefer a bustling city or a quiet suburb? Think about your commute. How long will it take you to get to work or school? Research neighborhoods. Look into the safety, amenities, and cost of living in different areas. 3. Start your apartment search online resources. Use websites like Zillow, apartments.com, and rent.com. Local newspapers. Check the classified ads for rental listings. Real estate agents. Consider working with a professional for assistance. 4. Gather necessary documents. Proof of income. Pay stubs, tax returns, or bank statements. Credit report. Check your credit score and address any issues. Rental history. If you have previous rental experience, provide references. Identification. A valid driver's license or passport. 5. Be prepared to apply. Application fees. Be prepared to pay application fees to potential landlords. Credit checks. Landlords may run credit checks to assess your financial responsibility. Rental history verification. Landlords may contact previous landlords to verify your rental history. 6. Understand the lease agreement. Read carefully. Make sure you understand all the terms and conditions of the lease. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask the landlord if you have any questions. Negotiate if possible. If you have any concerns, try to negotiate the terms of the lease. 7. Get moving utilities. Set up accounts for electricity, gas, water, and internet. Change of address. Notify the post office and other important institutions of your new address. Unpack and settle in. Make your new apartment feel like home. Remember, renting your first apartment is an exciting experience. By following these steps, you can find the perfect place to call home. For more tips and lessons like this, visit learnmoreuniversity.com for education after the bell rings.